Welcome to Watches and Wonders 2023. I've literally just finished up a meeting with none other than Vacheron Constantin to discuss their new releases. Welcome back to the Chisholm Hunter channel. My name is Harrison, as always, and I have to say, guys, this year's Watches and Wonders has been absolute carnage. And I just had a meeting with Vacheron Constantin to discuss their new releases for 2023. And there's a couple of interesting directions that they're taking, but one specifically is with the new overseas range, if you will. They've brought out 35mm lines, but also 34.5mm lines. And I think this will revolutionize the overseas range. But let's start from the start and let's discuss what they've released. First things first, we have a new Patrimony retrograde day date, and this comes in at 42.5mm in diameter. It has the model number 4000U/000P-H003. This is in full platinum, and it actually has a salmon dial. Now, something that Vacheron, when I spoke to them, are introducing in their dials is whenever something is salmon, it will be paired with platinum, a platinum case. So expect to see more salmon dials coming through with that platinum case. This model comes in at 9.7mm in thickness and has a water resistance of 30 meters. It has a fully automatic movement, which of course is brilliant from Vacheron. It's the caliber 2460R31R7/3. The next watch we have from Vacheron is absolute genius in the world. It is stunning, I have to say that. It's the new tourbillon retrograde date open face, and it's a Traditionnelle model. It's absolutely stunning. The model number is 6010T/000R-B638. This comes in at 41mm and comes in full pink gold with this beautiful dark black leather strap. Now, the special thing about this, or the specific thing that I noticed about this watch that makes it just genius, is the thickness. It only comes in at 11.07mm in thickness, and for a tourbillon model, that is absolute madness. I would struggle to think of anything that was smaller than that had a tourbillon in it. Genuinely, that is genius watchmaking. The dial on this model comes in black, and that black plays against that yellow gold wonderfully, and it also highlights that kind of tourbillon in the middle wonderfully. It's very contrasting dial, and I like that, although I'll never be able to afford it, but that's aside the point. Next up, we have one of my favorites, but before we move on to one of my favorites, if you could hit that subscribe button, we at Chisholm Hunter would really, really appreciate it. We're working hard here at Watches and Wonders to bring you the best watch news and content as soon as possible. And our next goal is 50k subscribers, and we're building the best watch community on YouTube. So if you could hit that subscribe button, we'd appreciate it. A new overseas model. What we've all been waiting for is the next model in their arsenal, and this one comes in at 41mm. So it's a lot more commercial, and it's a lot more fitted to my wrist. I've got 6.5-inch wrists, and this wears insanely well. It's the new Moonface retrograde date, and this is obviously part of the overseas collection. The model number on this watch is 4000V/210A-B911. Yes, I know, I think Vacheron need to reconsider their model numbers. It's absolutely nuts. But the blue dial on this model, it doesn't actually do it justice what you see online, because in person it is electric blue. There's flashes and flecks of bright blue going through that dark blue dial. It's incredible. This of course has a couple of complications on the dial and has that beautiful Vacheron bracelet with the butterfly clasp at the bottom that we know and love from the overseas range. It comes in at 10.48mm in thickness and has a self-winding movement. The movement in this model is the caliber 2460R31L/2. And this movement has 27 jewels, 275 parts, and a 40-hour power reserve. Next up, saving the best until last, is this plethora of 4 smaller overseas models. Now you have a 35mm in gold with diamonds, and it has a blue dial with that date as well. Stunning. You also have a silver with the blue dial and the date, which comes in at 34.5mm. And then you have this really nice light salmon pink color that comes in stainless steel and has diamonds on the bezel, coming in at 35mm. And then finally, you have another overseas gold model coming in at 34.5mm. Now, there's been a trend in the luxury watch industry where everyone's getting smaller. Everyone thinks that they need a smaller watch. It's kind of going the same way as iPhone did. Do you remember it got really, really big and now it's starting to get really, really small again? It's kind of going that same way. And I think what Vacheron have done here is identified that trend early and tried to capitalize on that trend by making these models more more succinct to men and women. Men want smaller watches because that's the trend, and women wear smaller watches because naturally they have smaller wrists. So it's a very smart move from Vacheron, and I think it might revolutionize the overseas range. I think we can see, or what we should see, is these watches getting smaller in the future. And that is all from us today. We are filming like mad at Watches and Wonders. My name is Harrison, this is the Chisholm Hunter channel. Please hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed, and I'll see you in probably an hour actually. I'm literally gonna be, I'll see you soon.